Hello guys, how's everything going? In today's video, we are going to be talking about Copy.ai. So, make sure you sit back and watch this video to the end in order to get all the tips and benefits in this video. Welcome to Ray Creators Lab. This is the place you get all the information and tips about online and AI tools. Without wasting time, let's dive into the video. What is Copy.ai? Copy.ai is a comprehensive AI native platform designed to revolutionize the way go-to-market teams operate. It empowers businesses by automating tasks, creating high-quality content, prospecting at scale, enriching CRM, and more. Now, what are the features of Copy.ai? One of the features of Copy.ai is AI Marketing OS. This feature enables users to set strategies that are brought to life with speed, quality, and in their brand voice. Another feature of Copy.ai is AI Sales OS. This feature automates time-consuming tasks, allowing sellers to focus on their core responsibilities. The other feature of Copy.ai that content creators love so much is its content generation. Copy.ai can generate high-quality content, including blog posts, email campaigns, and product descriptions. The last feature we want to look is Copy.ai's workflow automation. The platform offers pre-built workflows that can be customized to meet specific business needs. These workflows template include cold LinkedIn connection note, enrich company from domain, prioritize leads, lead scoring, personalized cold outbound email, create blog post from sales call, build FAQs from documents, and so on. The next question is, how can I use Copy.ai? To get started with Copy.ai, follow the link in the description of this video to their website. Then, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for a Copy.ai account. Step 2. Choose the desired workflow or content generation tool. Step 3. Input the required information and customize the output as needed. Step 4. Review and refine the generated content. One may ask, what are the benefits of using Copy.ai? By using Copy.ai, businesses can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing their teams to focus on strategy and optimization, resulting in increased efficiency, improved customer experiences, and enhanced sales. Let's look at the pros and cons of Copy.ai. First, let's consider the pros. 1. Efficient automation of tasks. 2. Improved customer experiences. 3. Enhanced sales. 4. Flexibility across models. 5. Data security. Now, let's consider the cons. The only downside to Copy.ai is that it may require some learning curve for new users. Here is a detailed analytics of Copy.ai website. Lastly, before we go, let's take a quick dive at the plans and pricing available in Copy.ai. Copy.ai offer 3 plans. First, the free plan. Then, the starter plan, which costs $36 per month, and the advanced plan, which is $186 per month. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's tutorial about Copy.ai. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for more valuable content.